You can expect a lot from the 2019 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback still has less than 10,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.